Hi everyone, in this video series we will cover the entire Solodit vulnerability checklist and provide real-world examples for each so you can understand more easily. So let's check out sixth access control vulnerability. Does the contract inherit others? If you don't override a parent contract's function explicitly, the parent's one will be exposed with its visibility and probably a wrong accessibility. Here is real-world example for this. Pause and unpaused functionalities not implemented in many pausable contracts. The following contracts are supposed to be pausable, but they don't implement the external pause and unpause functionalities, which means it will never be possible to pause them. Let's see one of them. As you can see, it is pausable, upgradable, and let's see what's inside of this. It's OpenZeppelin's pausable, upgradable abstract contract. And there is two functions that pause and unpause functions. These are internal, and let's check out if the contract uses this. As you can see, these pause functions is not used in this contract, so not accessible for anybody. And its solution is simple. We have to add these functions and make it external, and only the manager role can access this and can pause or unpause. Let me create a simple example here. There's abstract contract that pausable, like Zeppelin's one. Here is a paused bool variable, and there is two functions that make this paused variable true or false. And here is two modifiers, when not paused and when paused. And this C contract is the inherit pausable contract. And there is a storage variable. And with this function, we can add one, and with this, we can subtract one. And if you want to add one, the contract should not paused, and this should be paused. Let's quickly check how can that. Here host and the storage int variables. These are public and default. This is false and this is 0. There is no internal functions here. Nobody can call these, and this is what this finding trying to explain. We can add, we can call this function, but we cannot track one reward because this function is currently not paused, but we have to pause this contract to run this function. Solution is simple. We will make this pause and unpause functions public for only owner. Only owner can call this. We basically call this owner, and we will add unpause function. how it works. Now can add one, cannot that one. Let's make the contract power. Now power, the variable is true. Now we can subtract one and we cannot add one. That's simple. Thanks for watching.